code 2. Right up against the fence, in the bushes of the hotel.
Okay.
201, I'm in the corner of that fence in the bushes here, so if he comes my way, I'll be able to grab him. So what you just there about the bushes by the hotel?
Skin fly down, he might be in the middle of the bushes against the fence of the hotel.
Can you clear for 22 off on distress at 6580? East Main Kroger.
143, can you give me that description?
White, East Pomerano.
Hey Wheeler, if you're still at the spot I last saw you to other side of the hotel, hold there. He's in these bushes between you and me. I'm on the north side now. Yep, I'm on it.
The canine 12 those units. Which
Hey Chuck, you can't. Well, come over here where I'm at, where you saw me turn and go to the left of there. You know, behind the loyalty in between the hotel and Brice Road in these bushes. Wheeler, the drone sees him in the bushes over by where, closer to you than me, but over by where we were standing at when I left you.
478, that's 478.
Gonna make some announcements, see if we can wrestle him up here.
And
Chopper, be aware there's a drone overhead as well.
Chopper, we got it.
Chopper, drone operator says he's right underneath the drone if you can see where the drone's at.
I got eyes on him. Anything? Hey, Chopper, does your PA work?
I don't want anything. God.
Back. 94. Canine to the officer. I have my dog out, but he's on lead closer to Magic Mountain. If you guys are going towards it.
Yes. Hey, I'm headed back to the contract and I'll try to see anything with you.
Canine 12 for Chopper, do you have eyes on him? Canine 12 Choppers. If you can increase your That way if he surrenders with my dog, I can hear him.
Copy, copy.
And my dog around, not too far south still. Looking at March point. Sunday.
478.
Negative answer at the 4-3 break.
Got
P9 12, we're making contact.
I have a key to the 4-3. We'll be making those three breaks.
Contact.
Got
Can you go to the channel?
Here, they're all like ready to get 99 traffic, setting on the next one.
42. You're good, Bobber. Take one, you got this.
Copy, copy.
Rathmore Road on a 9.
I copy.
I'll tell you, we got a deal.
426.
Go ahead.
Put me on it. 2343. Green Boulevard South.
We've had a lot of problems with homeless people breaking into places and screwing around. You don't know where they're bringing them out at.
That's up to it.
Yep. Can't hide from the drone. Yeah, I even had the AI.
Traffic now.
I even had the AI come up and tell me it was a person there. Because he looked right at me.
Zebra Henry 8173. The Hamilton and Clinton Street.
That was Hamilton and Clinton Street.
Yeah, we'll come on with him, Brice.
Go ahead.
We're right across from 2218 Hamilton.
I copy.